Ever had an animal urinate on your clothes or a blanket? Did you know that you can get that stench out? Let me teach you how. First, gather the items that you'll need. White vinegar, powdered laundry detergent with washing soda. If you do not know if your laundry detergent has washing soda, you can use my homemade recipe. I will include a link to the video down below. The washing soda neutralizes odors and is an important step in this process. If you do not have powdered laundry detergent with washing soda and you cannot make it, you can mix 1 cup of your powdered detergent with a half cup of baking soda. Fill your sink with 1 part white vinegar and 2 parts warm water. However, if you have a delicate fabric, you need to use cold water. Soak your urine-stained clothes in the water solution, for at least 45 minutes, if not longer. I wouldn't go over 2 hours, but you at least need to leave them in there for 45 minutes. Remove the garment from your sink. If the stain is still visible, then repeat the steps. If not, then launder your garment using the powdered washing detergent. That will remove any of the excess smells that are remaining on the clothes. Let your clothes air dry to ensure the stain has been completely removed. And that's it. Please share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for daily DIY organization and cleaning videos. And also give this video a thumbs up and let me know that you liked it. Thank you, and I will see you next time.